Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to solve the problem on condition number. Considering the given set of matrix, we are going to represent the condition number. In this condition number, we are supposed to represent norm A infinity and norm A inverse infinity. First we represent A inverse and then we represent the solution of A infinity and norm A inverse infinity. How? I am going to explain step by step. First, let us consider the condition number. It is A equal to represented by 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2. Therefore, the condition number of the given square matrix is condition of A or K of A, which is equal to norm A infinity into norm A inverse infinity, where A inverse, which is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. First, let us find determinant of A. Determinant of A is given by determinant of 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2. Determinant of A, which is equal to 2 into 2 2s are 4 minus 0. Minus 0 into anything, it will be 0. Next, 1 plus 1 into 0 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 2, 2. That is determinant of A. 4 2s are 8 minus, see, 0 minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Determinant of A, which is equal to 6. Determinant of A equal to 6. Next, let us find the adjoint. Adjoint A. Adjoint A, I have told you before itself, A inverse into determinant of A or determinant of A into A inverse. Adjoint of A is equal to, I will show you how to simplify in the calculator. First, consider your calculator, okay? Then represent matrix. To represent matrix, press shift mode, okay, just mode setup 6, mat 1, okay, order 3 cross 3, okay, done. Now give the matrix 2, 0, 1 equals 0, 2, 0 and 1, 0 and 2. Verify once whether we have given correct or wrong. 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2. Press AC. After pressing AC, now I need to find A inverse. Open bracket, press shift 4, you get mat 3 as A. Press 3 inverse. To find A inverse, represent this one. Plus this becomes mat A inverse. Close the bracket and open determinant. Shift 4, determinant is 7. Press 7. Determinant of A, again shift 4, 3, close the bracket, close the double bracket. You get adjoint of A. This is our adjoint of A. If you multiply 6 for this, you get the what? A inverse condition. What is adjoint of A? 4, 0, minus 2. Adjoint of A is 4, 0, minus 2, 0, 3, 0, minus 2, 0, 4. This is our adjoint of A. Now, for this adjoint of A, let us represent A inverse. A inverse, which is equal to 1 by determinant of A, that is 6 into 4, 0, minus 2, 0, 3, 0, minus 2, 0, 4. Now multiply into 1 divided by 6. You get the values. That is A inverse, which is equal to 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Next we have 0, Next we have minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3. Next we have 0. Next we have 1 by 2. Next we have 0. Next we have minus 1 by 3. Next we have 0. Next I have 2 by 3. This is the value of A inverse. This is the value of A inverse. After finding A inverse, now you can easily find what norm. Now let us go with the condition norm A. See, we have found A inverse. The next step is to find A infinity and norm A inverse infinity. That's it. Let us find first norm A infinity. Norm A infinity, which is equal to, you need to add the maximum of the matrix row wise. A infinity represent row wise, that is modulus 2 plus modulus 0 plus modulus 1. Next modulus 0 plus modulus 2 plus modulus 0. Next modulus 1 plus modulus 0 plus modulus 2, which is equal to, since I am going to add row wise, I am going to represent it in the row wise itself. 2 plus 1, 3. 2, 3. The maximum is 3. Similarly, norm A inverse infinity, which is equal to maximum of, okay, modulus 2 divided by 3 plus 0 plus modulus minus 1 by 3. Then next modulus 0 plus 1 by 2 plus 0. Next we have minus 1 by 3 plus 0 plus modulus 2 by 3, which is equal to maximum of, add row wise. Add row wise 2, okay, 2 divided by 3 plus 0 plus 1 divided by 3, you get 1, comma. Next 0 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Next we have minus 1 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3, you get, okay, not okay, minus becomes plus, always remember minus becomes plus, okay, you get 1, which is the maximum number 1. Now therefore the condition, matrix of the condition number, sorry, not condition matrix, the condition number of the given square matrix, is condition of A or K of A, which is equal to norm A infinity into norm A inverse infinity. Condition of A, which is equal to, what is norm A infinity? 3 into A inverse infinity 1. K of A, which is equal to 3, is the required solution for the given square matrix. Got the point? Yes. How now? Let us see what are the conditions we have solved. First, represent the given matrix. Then define the condition number. Considering A inverse, 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A you have done from the PUC, you can simplify. Next, adjoint of A, I have taught you in the calculator how to simplify. Represent A inverse, multiply 1 by 6 for the given matrix, whatever we have found for the adjoint matrix. Substitute, you get A inverse. Then considering A and A inverse represent norm A infinity, the maximum number will be 1, and consider norm A infinity, the maximum number will be 1. Multiply these two, whatever you get the solution, that is your condition number, and it will be the required solution for the given square matrix. I hope you have understood how to simplify the condition number step by step. If you have liked this video, if you are interested in my video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.